Good Sunday, everyone. Welcome to GardenStateWeather.com because meteorology rocks. Superior forecasting for the northern mid-Atlantic and the nation. I'm meteorologist Robert Smith. This is the Sunday edition on the 6th of June, 2021. And it's a beautiful morning out there. Let's see if we can get this up and running here. This is the Earth Cam over the New York City harbor this morning. And the sun is rising high in the sky. Temperatures are rising too. Humidity is high this morning as well. Let's see. And everything is tranquil this morning on the ocean front here, or the bay side here. This is, what are we looking at? This is Atlantic Highlands here, next to Sandy Hook, Gateway National Recreational Area this morning. It is gorgeous, and the sun is rising. There's the southwesterly flow. The flags are flying here. It's just going to be a very beautiful day. Let's see if we can get into Seaside Heights Park right now. Let's see what that looks like. It's going to be another gorgeous start here. Some people near the water here at the park already. And people coming onto the dunes right now, onto the beach. Lifeguards not here just yet. Gorgeous morning. One more shot here from the boardwalk this morning at 6:24. A couple people taking their early morning stroll here on the boardwalk as the sun is coming up. This is going to all be filled in and packed today. Start off again this morning with the Rutgers Weather Network from New Brunswick, Rutgers University Meteorology Program, where it is 67 degrees this morning, and the winds are south-southwest at about 3, gusting to 4 miles per hour. Very calm atmosphere. Warm spots this hour, 74 at Oceanport and Harvey Cedars near LBI. Seagirt 73, also in Parsippany at 73, Lyndhurst 73. Cool spots, Walpack 57, 60 at Pequest, 61 Hopewell, 62 at Hackettstown, and 63 in West Deptford. This is about where the temperatures bottomed out. They're in the upper 60s, mid-60s, and to around 70 already, and they're climbing. Temperature minimums this morning, again, right around where they are right now, and it's going to get real hot around here. Dew points are very uncomfortable. Yes, they are. If we take a look at this, this comes up. Yeah, dew points are up in the mid-60s here, so very uncomfortable air coming in. Relative humidity values in the 90s to 100s right now. We're going to have mixing in the afternoon, so some of this is obviously going to come down. But still. Visible satellite this morning from the Rutgers Weather Network using the leaflet here. Generally clear. In fact, we take a look at this here. See if this shows up here. Just a few clouds here over Long Island Sound. Everybody else is clear. Right now, that's the shortwave imagery. Visible should be coming up because the sun is coming up, but it's not quite there yet on the horizon. Take a look at the low-level water vapor imagery right now. Lots of dry sinking air in place here. Those few clouds that I mentioned on the water vapor and IR channel here coming off of Long Island Sound. They dot it through northwestern New Jersey, and as you can see now, the skies are all clear. This is water vapor channel and is all sinking air. Negative vorticity advection compression in the atmosphere. And from Weather Labs Lab, this is the cloud cover, real-time total percent cloud cover. That's low, middle, and high clouds. Again, a little bit higher here over southeastern Long Island, just off the water. Everybody else is clear. And already this morning, we're starting out with temperatures that are generally 9, 10, 12, 14 degrees above where they should be for this time of the morning, especially in the New York metro areas this morning. This is the temperatures that are above normal for where they should be for overnight lows. Let's see. We have no heat index yet, but that's going to change. Let's do the wind speeds now. Again, another hot day with compression in the atmosphere, westerly flow coming in, and so even short points will not be cool this afternoon. No. But there is a chance of a sea breeze front developing today, unlike yesterday, and that could make things a little bit more interesting around here around the coastlines later this morning, this afternoon, with that sea breeze front. Checking out the visibilities this morning, they're a little lower here on the south shore of Long Island, obviously with that cloud deck that moved in, but that's over the water here. Over interior northwestern New Jersey and parts of northeastern Pennsylvania, there could be a little bit of haze and fog. We'll check that out. Also in the Virginias here. Everybody else, clear. Better than 15, 20-mile visibility. That's pretty much another day where the metro areas here in New York City, Long Island, southeastern Hudson's Bay, southeastern New York, the Hudson River Valley area, urban northeastern New Jersey, the coastline, all the way down through Trenton, Philadelphia, Wilmington, Baltimore, Lancaster, Harrisburg, Reading. Air quality alerts. That means that the air is stagnant, and that means, you're going to have problems breathing. You're going to have to really be careful and monitor yourself. Plenty of hydration. Stay in air conditioning rooms if you're not going outdoors for too long. Meanwhile, from Trenton down to Philadelphia in the I-95 corridor, we have heat advisories in effect. Locations in Philadelphia Metro from noon today to 8 p.m. on Monday. High temperatures, high relative humidity values in heat-related health issues, especially in elderly and those pre-existing health conditions. We're expecting the heat index here in these regions to reach between 96 to 100 expected during this afternoon and evening hours, both today and Monday as well. And on the ocean fronts today, from Sandy Hook in eastern Monmouth County and even down to Long Beach Island here, rip current risk will be low, surf height about 2 feet. That's not bad. There's no threat of thunderstorms today. The UVI index is high. Water temperature is still chilly. It's around 60, but the air temperature is going to be around 90. Sunny skies, high temperatures in the lower 80s at the beaches. Maybe even mid and upper 80s actually. Southwest winds at around 5, increasing to the south at around 15 in the afternoon. That's going to cause a sea breeze front to develop and move inland. High tide, low tide at Belmar is at 11:10 this morning. High tide will be this afternoon at around 5:39. Sunrise already happening at 5:26 this morning. Sunset 8:23. That's for today. On Monday, the rip current risk is low. Surf height around 2 feet. Thunderstorm potential is high tomorrow, and we'll get into that in a minute. Mostly sunny skies to start tomorrow, a slight chance of showers and thunderstorms in the afternoon, and the high temperatures will be in the lower 80s at the beaches here. The winds out of the south at about 10 to 15. Low tide will be at 11:50 a.m. tomorrow morning. Sunrise also tomorrow morning at about 5:26 a.m. Now for the New York-facing waters here of southeastern Suffolk County, southern and Nassau County, this morning there is a high risk of rip currents, unlike New Jersey. So if you're in this area, you must pay attention. Dangerous rip currents expected. Southern Nassau, southeastern Suffolk, and southwestern Suffolk counties from 10 this morning through this evening. Rip currents are likely for all people entering the surf zone. Anyone visiting the beaches should stay out of the surf. Rip currents can sweep even the best swimmers away from the shore in deeper waters. If you're entering the surf zone, always have a flotation device with you and swim only in lifeguarded areas. If caught in a rip current, relax and float and do not swim against the current. If able, swim in a direction following the shoreline. If unable to escape, face the shore and yell or wave for help. Let's hope that I do not get any reports today. National Weather Service's digital database high temperatures today in the Newark, northeastern New Jersey, I-95 Turnpike corridor here in the 90s. Even 90s here along the coast. Slightly cooler right here at the tip of Sandy Hook, but just inland, temperatures 90s. Temperatures a little cooler right along the Barrier Strand Islands in Ocean County down to Atlantic County, Cape May County here, but you get the idea. Anybody in the interior in the 90s for today. Tomorrow, temperatures a little cooler, probably due to some convection coming in with a backdoor cold front. Much cooler on Long Island, but still inland. Urban areas again in the upper 80s to around 90. Same thing on Tuesday, but there's a lot of cloud cover here too. Temperatures on Wednesday in the upper 80s to around 90, cooler along the south-facing shores and the ocean fronts once again. Temperatures really start to change by Thursday as another chillier air mass comes in. Temperatures still about normal for this time of the year in the mid-80s across the region. Cooler on the south shore and east ends of Long Island. Yeah. So if you want cooler weather, you got to head out towards Montauk Point here and eastern Long Island here, east of Islip during the week. Then temperatures really cool down on Friday. Temperatures below average in the 70s. In fact, lower 70s out here on eastern Long Island. Mid 70s across the interior. And next Saturday, same thing. Temperatures in the 70s across the region. Anywhere you go today, temperatures are about 15 degrees above normal. Tomorrow, 10 to 15 degrees above normal. Tuesday, 10, 15 degrees above normal, excepting for eastern Long Island, where temperatures will be 5, 6, 7 degrees above normal. Still, everything is above normal here. As we head into Thursday, Friday, that's where things change. Big change here coming by Thursday and Friday, with a strong cold front moving through the region. Temperatures are going to be a couple of degrees here below normal. And over the weekend on Saturday of next weekend, temperatures again just about or below normal for this time of the year for high temperatures. European monogonins total water vapor gas in the atmosphere, it is high. Anything above 1 inches here, which is high, can produce showers and thunderstorms if there's any kind of perturbations like mesoscale parameters here, any kind of lifting in the lower layers of the atmosphere, any kind of sea breeze, thermal troughs or boundaries in the area can produce, because the water vapor channel is just like going through the roof here. 1, 2, 3 inches. These things look interesting to me. By the time we get into Tuesday, water vapor here is approaching 2.15 inches. So that could produce showers and thunderstorms in the area here on Tuesday afternoon if there is any kind of lifting mechanism here, and we'll get into that in a minute. And when I'm looking through the water vapor channel here, I'm seeing everything that supports rounds of showers and thunderstorms with downpours in them. Flash flooding, very weak flow aloft, water vapor channel showing better than 2 inches of liquid equivalent here possible. Things change around as we get into Saturday. We get backdoored a little bit. There's some drier air coming in from the north and east, but still, anything above 1 inch here can support showers and thunderstorms. And as we head into next weekend, into Monday, things begin to dry out. Yeah, where the water vapor goes below 1 inch here, that's going to be about 10 days away from now. We'll look at the European model guidance from last night for the total cloud cover on the upper left-hand panel, right-hand panel upper top, medium cloud cover, low cloud cover on the bottom here, and high cloud cover on the right-hand side, lower bottom here. We're just focus on the total cloud cover here over the next couple of hours here and days as we move forward here. A lot of cloud cover coming in, especially during the day on Monday. Low cloud cover, not so much in the early morning hours, but that's going to fill in with cumulus, and yeah, it's going to fill in through the afternoon and evening hours as we head into Wednesday, Thursday. It's not going to be cloudy all the time, but there's going to be a lot of cloud cover around the region in this tropical air mass that we're in with high precipitable water values that we just showed you over the next 10 days. Yes. We're going to use the European model guidance. Yeah. But before we use the model guidance, look at the beach here now, this afternoon, with all the people on the boardwalk. Everybody is on the boardwalk. This is Seaside Heights, actually, on the North Cam. Here is the Ferris wheel and all of the amusements in the amusement park here. They're running, they're up, they're running. People are out there and about. And it's beautiful. Look at the beach and all the people on the beach as forecasted. I was supposed to be there today, but I'm going to decide to go tomorrow on a less crowded day. We're going to step back and use the European model guidance for total precipitation over the next 10 days and get ready because we've got high precipitable water values, so there's going to be showers and thunderstorms around the area. And a lot of this rain is really going to come down in buckets, probably causing some flash flooding in the region. As we move through Thursday, Friday, Saturday, the totals here just come up. European model guidance over the next 10 days sees a lot of rain here in the New Jersey, New York City metropolitan area, the I-95 corridor, Delaware. So, if you're out there today and tomorrow, that's a different story. But after that, things are really going to get quite interesting around here. Going to use the NAM model this morning and this afternoon, actually, for the rest of the forecast. You can see that we're pretty much capped today, tomorrow. There could be a shower or a thunderstorm around the area, mostly isolated tomorrow, late tonight, tomorrow morning. There'll be more showers and thunderstorms building up around the periphery of the ridge and short waves coming through with a weakening cold front moving through the area as we head into Monday night and Tuesday. And some of those showers and thunderstorms are going to propagate into New Jersey, the Delaware River Valley area, the I-95 corridor during the day on Tuesday. Tuesday morning, and then wash out as they do. And it's going to be another hot and humid day. Don't know whether it's going to be 3 or 4 days here in a heat wave, but there's going to be more showers and thunderstorms moving through the area again during the afternoon on Tuesday with convection moving through, and we see it. So, if you like today, and today is absolutely gorgeous out there, let's take a look at other webcams around the area. You're going to like it. Take a look at Seaside Park right now. Let's see if we can pull this up. Seaside Park this afternoon. Yeah, it's going to be beautiful. Seaside Park, people walking. Look at the beach. Yeah, look at the American flag here. Just gorgeous. Yeah. People just need to be out. So enjoy your Sunday afternoon, barbecuing, backyard, pool, beach, wherever you are. I'll be at the beach tomorrow. I didn't make it today. For everything live, it's GardenStateWeather.com, GardenStateWeather.blogspot.com, Twitter, Facebook, and YouTube. I'm meteorologist Robert Smith.